Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable backlight on PartyLight Stick from JBL. Backlight makes the back part of the light, you can see this is the back part here, and it will make it a bit brighter on the back. So if it's set against a wall, then you'll see the wall will light up a bit more. And to enable it, you need to have the JBL PartyBox app and have it connected to the PartyLight Stick. Then go to Backlight here in the app and turn it on. Now you can see the back is lighting up more, and if I set it against a wall, as I said, then the wall will reflect it even more than normally. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.